Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you 6 wall stretches which will help you for your tight hips and low back pain. So let's get started. So first, how you can bring your legs on the wall. So first, keep your mat close to the wall, touching to the wall, and you sit against the wall one side. Now you turn around and bring your legs on the wall and bring your back down on the mat. Now as you do that, you can see there is still the gap between my hips and the wall. So you press your elbows and slowly come close to the wall. Okay, make sure your hips, your buttock is touching on the wall. Now first, your legs 90 degrees, keep it together. Okay, now from here, we're just going to slide right leg to the side along the wall about 90-degree position. Okay, you can keep your both knees pointing forward, toes pointing forward, and you can just hold here. Now you can do this as a restorative way, means hold it about 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. So we will just hold here for 5 count and we will move ahead, but you can hold it about 1 minute. So hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly come back along the wall and bring your left leg to the side. So you can see now if you have tightness in your hips, hip joint, it might come until here. That's fine, and that will help, and this stretch will definitely help to open up your hip joint, your hip flexors, your abductor muscle stretch. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now come back, and now we will do Upavishta Konasana on the wall. So you just bring your legs to the side again as much as you can. So press your knees on the wall, point your toes and knees forward and hold. You can even use your palms to press your knees down and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. As it helps to open up our hips, it is really good stretch on low back. So now from here, so bend your knees and bring your heels and toes together. It's a Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose on the wall. Now with your both palms, press your knees towards the wall and hold. Again, feel that stretch in your hip joint and hold for 7, hold 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now you can stretch your legs up on the wall, and this is a Viprit Karne. This is legs on the wall, the relaxation pose. You can use it as a good stretch for your hamstring muscles, calf muscles, or you can just use it as a relaxation. So keep your feet about 45 degrees, point your toes in, rest your hands at the side. This pose it's a wonderful pose for releasing stress and anxiety, for releasing migraine. If you have migraine, it will instantly, you'll feel better in this. It will bring that blood flow to your heart and head. That's how it helps to relax our mind and body. So let's hold here for 10 counts. So hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now from here, just bend your knees. Okay, so you bring your feet down on the wall. Now from here, you slide yourself up. So your hips and knees are 90 degrees. Now from here, bring your right foot on the on your left thigh, and with your right palm press your knee towards the wall. This is again good stretch for your hip flexors, but this is a very good stretch for sciatica, low back pain. So hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now come back and on your left. So hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back and relax. Now you can just turn, relax in Shavasana, or you can come in sitting position. And I hope you enjoyed this wall stretches with me. Okay, it's a good restorative kind of yoga poses if you want to add in your restorative practice, or if you sometimes just feel tired, your lower body or back pain or hips, you can just do these poses. It helps for releasing that tightness as well as pain from lower back. So I hope you enjoyed. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.